I think I like that better. Hi guys, good morning. It's Saturday and my husband and I are off today, so we're going to Ikea. So guys, we're here in Ikea, Pittsburgh.
All we have to do is get in that line. You ain't getting that spot.
Yes, look. Oh, it's quick.
Watch, he's gonna stop here in a minute. He's gonna
Aw.
count so many and stop.
Guys, look at the line.
Yeah.
What do you think, Timmy? We're in the line, guys. Ooh, it's cute. I like this one. Is it a wood, honey? What's that for? Huh? Oh my god, it's so cute. Honey, that's perfect for the van because
That
it's,
would be, yeah,
it's
something
very
narrow.
here, I'll take a picture of it.
Let's see, I can
Honey.
build stuff. I can build that.
That's so perfect. Because
Yeah.
it's really narrow.
Yeah, these are the kind of cabinets. I can build those.
But do you know what I mean? It's
Mhm.
narrow. Even that one is narrow.
That's a cabinet.
Yes,
Well,
yeah. For our bathroom, man. You think so?
too deep.
How colorful. That's not indoor.
What it says.
Really?
Add character to the entrance of your home by choosing durable fiber doormats.
I like that one. Also. Man, look at this. So soft. So soft. Ooh, I like that basket.
Oh no, where's the baskets?
To put the plant. Wow.
That might be real.
Hmm?
That might be real.
I don't think.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How much is it? 100 something?
Yeah, it's real.
Really? This is like storage stuff. Huh?
Mm-hmm. One thing I like about this store is their storage inventions ideas. Otherwise,
case. Nice. I think I like it better. I got the vanilla.
Okay.
Oh, I like this one right here. I like that. Green.
See, you're here.
Honey, I like this one, the color.
See,
Yeah.
that for the Philippines.
Where? Yeah,
Hangs on the wall.
that's perfect for our living room actually in there. Yeah.
Product quality. Please go to the return counter. Forward for product quality. Please go to the return counter.
And there's your built-in bookshelves for the Philippines.
Yeah. They don't have Ikea in there though. That's perfect, honey. It's not too deep. You know what I mean?
Just have them shipped over.
No, it won't fit in the thing. And the height also is perfect. I like that.
But I want the ones with all the glass.
You like those glass?
Yeah. Keeps things from getting dusty.
It's true.
Keeps people from touching things.
Mom would like to come here.
I don't think so.
No? Oh, this is what I'm looking. Wait. This one for our rec room. This is perfect. Oh, this is the hemless. Because look, you told me
Yeah.
that 149. I like the island on it. Oh yeah.
I'm a dishwasher. I'm a dishwasher too.
Really? Oh, cool.
Make it look like yours.
Oh, we need this. Because our appliances is black. Agree? This sink is cute. Huh? Isn't it you want big one?
Yeah, deep sinks. Oh, I don't know about one, but deep.
You want like two or
See, if like this,
there's black one.
yeah, but like this, you have a big sink, but then you have a small one.
Yeah.
Okay, instead of just one big one.
But I like this one. Can you, I think you can take this off too.
Huh?
You can take this off.
I just did it. Didn't you watch me?
No. Oh wow.
I don't like that.
But you
I'd
have.
rather have.
But you know what I'm idea. This is like this. Well, we can go with this color.
Are you talking for the Philippines or our kitchen in our house?
I want something like this. But you know what I mean? Huh? You know what I mean?
Okay.
You know what I mean? Yeah, something like that. Yeah, something like that. I
At least
think
that's a magnet.
so. How's your experience?
It's okay.
Huh?
It's okay. Is this a better one than what we
Where that? Four?
Snap, like, didn't even have to come up.
We're in the line, guys. Yeah. Well, we're down in here, guys.
They couldn't keep on the road.
Really? It just look like Vista. Oh, cute.
Hello, everybody. On our way home from our little afternoon drive. Only bought a few things at Ikea. That's one reason to take a small car, guys. Take the smallest car you got, and the girls can't buy that much. Otherwise, the weather held out. I'm gonna go home, fire up the grill, cook some dinner.
What you gonna cook for today?
Today, water buffalo steaks.
Water buffalo.
Either that or rattlesnake. Whatever we can find crawling around the backyard.
He's joking.
I
guys.
thought I saw a possum hanging out there too. You know, maybe we'll get some possum stew. But it was a nice afternoon out with my bird, my little tweet.
I'm the bird.
You're a little birdie. I got an afternoon out with Tweet, and that's what's special.
Alright guys, we're home, so we're gonna prepare for our dinner, and I'll see you the next vlog, guys. Thank you for coming with us. What are you doing, Timmy?
Grilling some water buffalo. See? Got some haunches there.
Oh, wow.
Flames kiss.
Well, how was your Saturday?
My Saturday was very relaxing and wonderful to spend with my wife. We've got nothing accomplished, but that's all right because we spent time together.
That's what
Tomorrow,
matters.
different story.
Yep.
Tomorrow, we got work to do.
It's already almost 8 o'clock, guys. And we're eating outside. We have potato salad, we got baked beans, we got zucchini, but bread, appetizer. My sister-in-law gave us. Thank you, Jill. We're just waiting. And that's my flour right there. Alright, Timmy, what would you like to drink?
Whatever we got.